If you've been paying attention to some of the chatter in some of the Cricut groups, you may have heard about a Cricut event that is going on tomorrow, July 18th. There's been speculation that they're going to be announcing a new product or a new machine at this event, and everybody's just dying to find out what it could be. There's been some other people sleuthing around, but one of the moderators in my Teach Me Cricut Design Space Facebook group found some interesting information, and I want to share that with you today. Okay, I have some huge Cricut news for you. You might have noticed that there was a new update in Cricut Design Space, and one of my moderators noticed that it said something about Cricut Venture. And then suddenly it was taken down and reverted back to the old update. I'm going to see if I can get my Cricut Design Space to update to, if I go under settings, I think it was in beta. Oh, wait, check for updates. Okay, let's go with beta. Bugs fixed. Okay, so, oh, here, release 8.0, she said it was in. So 8.0, you can see is no longer listed here. So they reverted back on it. Okay. So what somebody had said was they saw the words Cricut Venture. So I just did a Google on Cricut Venture and look at this. If we open this in a new tab, we can see. Did you see that? For a split second, we saw what was there, but now it's gone because they released it too early. So let's just read this. Your big ideas just got bigger with a wide format professional cutting machine. Okay. So I'm going to try to click on it again, see if we get to see anything. Oh, it was there for just a split second. Okay, so now we know what they're going to announce tomorrow. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.